Are you looking for the best tool backpack in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best tool backpack that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the custom Leathercraft CLC 1A134 Carpenter's Tool Backpack. Their custom Leathercraft CLC 1A134 model offers plenty of space, as well as being comfortable to carry, which is vital as tools can be heavy and cumbersome. It's durably constructed and will comfortably sit on your back. Plus, it also has a super convenient and adjustable compression pocket for those bulkier and heavier tools in your kit bag. Measuring 8.5 x 13.3 x 16, it weighs just 4 pounds, so it's a practical choice. Inside this customer Leathercraft backpack, 2 key compartments open out, plus padded back support, which is comfortable to wear. There are dual handles, so you can carry it your way, plus a further convenient outside pocket, where you can handily store essentials that you might need to access more regularly. There's also a customizable chest strap, so if you are carrying an unusually heavy load, you can adjust both the chest and shoulder straps for your convenience and comfort. The material is thick and of sturdy construction, which promises to last a long time as long as you take care of it correctly. Perhaps the most impressive feature, though if you do carry a lot of tools, is that it has multiple pockets. Up next in the 4th place is the Klein Tools 55E421 BP14 Electrician Tool Backpack. Klein Tools, and is their heavy-duty pro organizer backpack, perfect for a whole host of skilled trades, but especially convenient for the electricians among you. Klein Tools have a sterling reputation for manufacturing some of the highest quality tools, so you would expect them to have constructed a durable backpack in which you can securely and safely house those tools. And that's precisely what you are getting with this tool holder. Made from a unique ballistic weave, it's both lightweight and long-lasting, measuring 14.5 x 20 x 725. It's roomy and comfortable to carry, and weighing 6 pounds still manages to be portable too, making it an excellent choice. Looks-wise, Klein Tools 55E421 BP14 Electrician Tool Backpack also comes up trumps, and they've continued the Klein brand theme colors from their tool selection through into this work backpack design. It features reinforced stitching, durable zippers, and that trademark Klein use of distinctive orange and black. All told, there are 39 individual pockets, so you can store plenty of your essential everyday tools and ensure quick access when needed. The pockets are all spacious, and the zippers are durable, plus there's a front zipper section where you could choose to store your smaller tools. The bottom of this Klein Best tool bag is also molded, which keeps your tools safe while they are in the bag, plus there are padded shoulder straps as well as additional carry handles for your convenience. The 3rd product on our list is the Carhart Legacy Standard Work and Tool Backpack. Carhart are well known for their high-quality workwear products, fusing reliable and practical clothing and accessories that stand the rigors of being used in a work environment, all the while still looking stylish and contemporary too. So whether you happen to be a carpenter, construction worker, or a commuter, their Legacy Standard Work Backpack might well be the everyday carry for you. If you love to stay organized, when you can't really go wrong with this durable work backpack that will safely store all your gear in one place, with a zippered main compartment, 2 convenient front zip pockets, and 2 additional external side pockets, which are perfect for stashing items you need to retrieve quickly. It's heavy-duty, but a stylish backpack for work. Constructed out of 1,200 denier heavy-duty polyester, it also happens to be water-repellent and features Carhartt's Rain Defender technology, so it will keep all your gear dry in light rain. There's also an additional reinforced Duravax base panel designed to protect your backpack and belongings. With contoured fit shoulder straps and that padded mesh back panel, wearing and carrying this waterproof backpack is a dream. Overall, it measures 12 x 18 x 11 and weighs just 14 pounds, so is seriously lightweight. With triple-stitched reinforcement and sturdy X zippers, it's a dependable and robust choice. Second on our list is the Milwaukee 48-22-18-200 Jobsite Tool Backpack. What Milwaukee has on offer in the best tool backpack category with their 48-22-80-200, which certainly is a highly desirable tool bag. First up, it really looks the part and is very striking and bold. But more importantly, it's a well-balanced, tough, and also roomy backpack that is perfect for supporting a wide range of professional trades. Measuring in at 8x14x23.4, it features a total of 35 pockets that enable you to really get your kit and all those essential tools fully organized. It's constructed from 1E680 ballistic material, which means that it is super robust and sturdy, but also lightweight. When empty, this Milwaukee work bag weighs just 26 pounds. A nice additional feature to this Jobsite backpack is that it also comes with a convenient laptop sleeve. Many trades require access to the internet to review planning and permissions, regulations and contracts, or to be able to quickly order additional goods and materials too. As well as that laptop compartment, there is a molded base which minimizes impact and helps to protect your bag when it's not in use and positioned down on the floor. There are also, as you would expect, multiple internal and external pockets with two main interior compartments. One of the pockets is stretchy, so is perfect for storing something like a water bottle, so you can stay hydrated at work throughout the day. Finally, the top product on our list is the Dewalt DGC 530 Charging Tool Backpack. We're looking at a USB charging backpack, which certainly looks as well as performs the part. Two companies with such fabulous pedigrees couldn't fail, but to produce an exceptional looking and performing tool bag, and the high quality construction and functionality of this charging backpack won't disappoint. It truly does make moving your tools around with you from job to job and day to day a complete breeze. Constructed with superior quality and hard-wearing fabric, this is one backpack that has been engineered to last. With robust and durable stitching, it won't rip and tear under the pressure of whatever you back inside, and can easily withstand heavy loads. Pretty remarkable when you consider that this Dewalt bag itself only weighs 38 pounds when empty. It certainly has an impressive and attractive design with that iconic and instantly recognizable black and yellow color scheme. There are a total of 23 pockets, which is on the minimal side compared with many of the others we've so far reviewed. But we think it's adequate for the needs of most regular construction workers to be able to carry with them all their daily tools. With a couple of larger pocket sizes included, you can also easily move your larger items without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.